First thing we're going to do is grab the bolt. It's got a small washer on it. That's so that it has good contact with the top washer. Snug fits. Use your original razor bushing. There you go. Here's the original razor bushing. Grab a screwdriver because these clamps, they need to be opened a little bit. So what you'll do is, without scratching it, open it up a little bit like that. That way when you go to put the fork in, it'll slide in. And sandpaper this a little bit. It really helps keep the clamp nice and tight. Brakes are on the left. Wants to stay. Put in the $3,000 rim with a screwdriver. Ta-da! Real simple. You put in the bottom bushing. Now that I have a solid foundation, we'll grab the washer and the nylock. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Why didn't you tell me? These bars. One more. All right. Anyways, before we so rudely interrupted. And then if you want, you can just twist it in between the block. There. Good help is hard to find. I like it. Might be just a little bit off, but that's okay. It's not this one. How is it this one? Wow, it is. Man, if only the Roster had one of these ones. You got so mad at me. Let's see how our height looks. Well, looks like I got it right. That was easy. There we go. Wow, almost perfect. And if you're not awesome, grab the original bushings and just add some washers. So you've got options. Still shorter than that one. That one's longer than that one. Okay, so they have an off size. I don't care about symmetry, I care about function. So, let's figure this out. Do not pump the handle. Rubber. My nigga. My nigga. My nigga. All I did was slot the fronts. Can you see where I slotted them? Pretty dope. That fixes it. Instant fix. Done it again, Pinky. So it might be the original one, like this. Well, I'll tell you what, that looks proper. I got to bolt through again. So we'll use the smaller one of the two on this side. And the bearing, then the compression sleeve into the bearing. Which one did we settle on? We settled on that one. Okay. Okay, so we'll go to that. Now that we're there, we'll go ahead and settle on the bigger one. Now we'll go for the bigger one. That should fit. Yep, it fits. Okay. Now you do the last washer and then the lock nut. You saw that, right? It's because I don't need the brake adapter. Then I slotted the fork where the brake goes in so that it would go closer into the rotor. All right, so all I did was just push the caliper in while I was tightening it. And we're done. That took less than 20 minutes. You know why? Because I didn't know that the SD card that I bought to do all these videos and stuff isn't a bad one. I mean, isn't a really good one. It shuts off every 10 minutes. What are you going to do? Don't try to tighten anything while you're putting it together. Keep everything kind of loose. Makes everything better. I say this in all my videos. All I have to do now is tighten this. And I brought a 13, 12, and a 16. Where is that 14 at? There we go. There we go. We're done. If you really want symmetry, get a dirt bike front wheel. It's the best option. You know, we'll go ahead and do this, and you have to supply your own screws for this. They don't give it to me. There's no way I can give it to you. And we're done. I still need to mount the fender, but doesn't that look good? It'll look beautiful, won't it? I got 8 seconds before the film ends. We can all agree that I didn't put the body kit and fender and all that stuff on using the screws or anything other than a piece of blue tape. However, what do you think? Oh my God, Shirako, you are such a hog. Anyways, back to what I'm doing, little rodent. What do you guys think? Is it stupid? I should probably just throw it away, huh? That looks stupid. I'm probably just going to throw it all away. That looks retarded. Let's just get rid of it. Oh my God. Oh my God. Is that your bike? Can I go for a ride? Nah, bitch, you're too heavy.